Hello traders and welcome to the post-market video here on Wednesday, November 9th, 2011. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade, and the market sell-off huge. We have the Dow down at one point more than 415 points, closing at 390 points in the red, down 3.2%. The S&P down 3.7%. The Nasdaq down 3.9%. Russell's down 4.8%. Banks down a staggering and a whopping 5.2%. Gold down 0.8%. Silver down. You have the US dollar up 1.76%. The euro falls to a 4-week low against the dollar. You have crude oil down 1.15%. Just like the rest of the markets, crude oil is dropping on Italy fears. Transportation index down at a whopping 3.9%. VIX up 8.5%. The problem with this is it does not validate the 3 to 4% drop we have in the markets. I want to see that 3 times the difference, and we almost were at 3 times the difference, but not quite. We're just barely above 30 at this moment. So keep your eye on that. Now the trend, just like yesterday, I said today could be problematic for the markets, and boy, was that an understatement. Tomorrow we could get a rubber band effect back into positive territory. Look at this, the trend at 666. Ooh, ominous number. Last time we saw the S&P at 666, we had the rally of all rallies take place. So, but let's see what happens here in the markets. Check this out. We had this big run up, drop, support, boom, downwards. Here we're making a lower swing high. A lower swing high is the first step to starting a downtrend. Markets are in significant trouble. We broke down below this major trend line. We broke down below the 20 rising moving day average. We found support at the 100-day simple moving average. We have big support coming up, support right here, resistance here. That area is going to be a big area. That's the 1218 area we need to be watching for support. If we make a new low, if we go lower than today, and today's low puts us at 1226, if we get below 1225 tomorrow, you may be looking for some short opportunities if we can start breaking down, especially if we can get below this 1218 level. If we can get below that, we could be at this 50 simple day moving average faster than what you can imagine. That's right at the 1200 mark. So all it would take is about 3/4 of today's move downwards to get there. So that's something we're paying special attention to. Now watch this. I'm going to draw a trend line from here to here. Now I'm going to copy it, bring it right there. So if we do break this, I would be seeing about 1209 being an area that we should close above. But all momentum is heading to the south here. However, the trend is giving us a reading saying that we could get a rubber band effect. It'd be interesting to see what tomorrow brings us. Now everything is going to be news related, and the markets are very primed to be listening what's happening overseas right now, because we've been talking about Greece forever, but Italy is front and center. It has it is, what am I trying to say? Good night. This would be normally a part I would edit out of the video, but it's front and center. It is on stage. Everybody's listening to what's taking place there in Italy, because like I said before, Greece defaulting is one thing, but Italy defaulting is another. Everybody's wondering what's happening with the euro, and will the euro be able to stay strong and relevant to the market economy. We're all banking on that happening. However, there's a lot of uncertainty out there. Traders hate uncertainty, and people like to pull money out of the markets during those uncertain times. Now, one thing I'd also like to look at is volume. Let's go here and take a look at volume. As far as the ETF is concerned, we had pretty good movement on volume today. And let's go to the futures. And the futures is just ho hum there. So today's drop didn't happen on that much volume as far as smart money is concerned, and we're at some major support areas. So it wouldn't surprise me to get a little pop taking place tomorrow. But if we start to have another sizable run to the downside, we could certainly get this. But I do see major support coming up, around the 1200 level on the S&P. So watch that quite closely. So anyway, gearing up for the Vegas mentorship that's coming up next week. So all those who will be there, I look forward to seeing you, and all those who will be at the Traders Expo. I'll be walking around. I have my free trading videos and Grok trade t-shirts I'll be wearing around. So make sure you look for me, introduce yourself. I'd like to talk with you. Take care and safe trading.